Hi everyone, Ryan from Gray's Classic Cars. We've got this very, very original 11th month 1970 Mach 1 Mustang. And it's a factory matching numbers car, and there's also a factory 3 on the floor manual with a Hurst shifter. Didn't produce too many of these. We certainly didn't see too many of these in Australia. The car is still left-hand drive, and it is just a cracker. You can really see, looking at the Mustang, where Ford Australia got their idea for the XB GT Falcons. Very similar front, same style bump bars, and colour coded to the car. Just certain angles of these, you can see where the Ford coupe came from. Now this thing still runs the factory hubcaps and trims, and it's just a good, original, unrestored example. I would probably change wheels, instead of Sprint Masters or rally wheels or something like that. But there's zero spend on this car. The interior trim's great and good for its age. The bodywork's nice and tidy. There's no visible rust whatsoever. It did come from a private car collection in America, and it's all there. The dash is good, the steering wheel's good, everything's right with the car. It's just a good, clean example. If you want some early American muscle, this car's definitely worth having a look at. It's at Pinga Bar at our Brisbane facility. If you'd like some more information, give us a call on 13 Classic or shoot us an email to classic@grays.com.au.
So if you'd like to keep up with everything that's happening in our classic car and bike department, why don't you join our Facebook page, Gray's Classics Cars and Bikes. And also, if you'd like to keep up to date with the videos we do at Gray's on classic cars and bikes, subscribe to our YouTube channel.